Okay, this is a video demo to demo this SICOM3000A Ethernet IP connection using CoDeSys. Okay, so if you see my screen, this is the SICOM3000A set at a default IP address of 192.168.0.2. Okay, so other than that, I also have another Ethernet device over here, and this is going to be my IPC, which is running on the runtime CoDeSys. Okay, my laptop is over here. So I'm going to write a program, a CoDeSys program to here and get some status of this SICOM3000 with using Ethernet IP. Okay, so before we continue, okay, you need to get hold of these two files first. Okay, so one is obviously the .eds file, okay, and the other will be the menu, okay, the description menu of the what is inside this configuration. Okay, so this is CoDeSys. Okay, I'm going to open up a new project, standard project. Okay, and okay, I'm going to select Linux because it's a Linux system. Okay, so before before I do this video, I already installed imported the EDS file. Okay, how to verify this is we go to the tools and device. Okay, so okay, maybe Ethernet adapter. Did I spell it correctly? Or maybe few bars Ethernet IPE. Yeah, this one. So not this one. Should be. Let me check. This one from Killen. So I did the installation, so it's inside my this device library. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is let me power off and power on my this runtime. Okay, so what I need now is I do a right click and configure and add a device. Okay, I think it's over here. Add a device. Oh no, it's here. Add a device, and it's supposed to be an Ethernet device. Okay, specifically Ethernet. So let me add a device first. The Ethernet device. Okay, come here. Add the Ethernet scanner. Actually, it's a scanner, and press OK. Okay, so the next thing I need to do now is let me sort of double click this. Okay, let's scan the network. Okay, and double click the runtime. Okay, authentication. Okay, and you should get this. Okay, go to the Ethernet setting and set the correct IP address, which is this. Okay, .12. Okay, okay, and press OK, and press up to you. If you need to press save, please. Okay, the next thing I want to do now is I go to this button and do a right click. But before I do that, I think I need to download an empty program first to do a proper scan. Okay, let's try that. Download. Run, start the running. Okay, everything seems to be okay. Okay, next thing is I go offline and I do a right click and do a scan for device. Okay, if your .eds file is installed properly, you should be able to scan. You see, I'm able to scan this unit, which is the Ethernet switch, and this is the other remote I/O device. Okay, let's copy this to here, and you should get to see. Yeah, oh, I messed up. Let me try again. I only copy the remote I/O. Okay, I need to select this and copy to here. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to shift this to the top so that I have the benefit of the starting address. Okay, double click this. Okay, and and go to the go to the connection side. Okay, there's an understanding of 20 bytes of output. Okay, 156 byte of input. Okay, so I come to here, I will define input array by input. Okay, so it's at the address of IB percentage 0. Okay, sorry, the sequence should be percentage over here, and is actually a array of 0 dot dot 155. Okay, because it's starting from 0 of bytes. Okay, this will be the understanding. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I copy and I paste. Okay, instead of input, let's change this to output, and we are expecting output, change this to Q, and it's only up to 20 if I remember correctly. So what I need to do here is paste. Okay, why do I need to do this? Because this is part of the CoDeSys workflow. If I don't do this, I don't get to see the monitored value. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is I sort of save this project and do a download. Okay, the next phase, while it's doing download, okay, let me open up a browser and reach out to the network switch device, SICOM. Okay, you get to see this page. Okay, the username is admin, password is 123. Okay, and followed by this verification 2xRR, if I read it correctly. Okay, so before this video, I already preset this to this industrial protocol, and it's already preset to this Ethernet IP already. Initially it was at this position, and I press enable and I press submit. Okay, and it will be enabled. Okay, then the problem is in the event if there's a power cycle, okay, you'll go back to disable again. So how to retain it at enable is you need to go to maintenance and go to this save running configuration to start up configuration, and you do a save. So by doing this, you're actually saving your current configuration to the startup configuration. Okay, so good to go. Okay, let's reach out and let's start the program. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have a very good understanding that it's running already. Okay, I got some problem with my PC. It's running. It's conflicting. Okay, let me close some. Okay, I don't need this guy already, so maybe I can close this. Switch this off. Okay, so the next interest will be actually okay, the next interest will be actually the I/O itself. Okay, the mapping of I/O will be over here, I think. Let me see if I can. It's over here. So is it reading the value? Okay, now it's reading the value. Okay, and we got the reading. So the input for the first byte. This is the first byte. Okay, actually, if you take if you go to the menu, this is the menu. It's actually referring to the input byte. Okay, this is the input byte. So this 0 is referring to here. Okay, which is 1010. So if you get to see a 1010, that means it's the other way around. I think it's up. Okay, it's up. Okay, so 10 is up. Okay, and this bit is responding to the first bit. Okay, let's have a try first. Okay, let me okay, this is the cable. Okay, this is the cable for port 1. Okay, in the event if I pull it out, okay, notice there's a change of value. Okay, so so the new understanding is that over here, this is actually referring to the first port 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me try to okay, so in the event if it's 0, 1, okay, 0, 1 is actually up. Okay, and in the event if it's down, it will show 1, 0. Okay, let me try on the second second port. Okay, and it should be this guy. If I put it unplug, so this will go false and this will go true for the second port. Okay, let's try. Okay, yeah, it instantly changed the status. Okay, so this input is actually telling you the reflecting on this. Then if you need other status, okay, you should come to here. Okay, so for the output side, it's only 20 bytes. Okay, it's just to enable or disable the port. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you 192.168.0.2. If I go to the port configuration, okay, so these are all the enabled auto enabled port. Okay, you see a green line. Okay, let's say I have an interest to disable port number 2. Okay, let me reach out to the output. Okay, let me reach out to the output, and the output is over here. Okay, let me open up. So this is false now. Okay, so very interesting is if we look at the menu. Oh, I need to go to the menu. Okay, let me go back to the menu. If I can go back to the menu. Okay, this is the menu. Okay, let me open up the. Sorry, I have to. Where is it? Okay. So let's say I have an interest to disable port number 2. Okay, port number 2 is over here. So in the event if if it's 0 or 1 is remain unchanged. You see, now it's 0, so it's remain unchanged. But in the event if I set it to for example 10, okay, 10, okay, then it will disable the port. Okay, let me come to here. Okay, let's go to port 2. Okay, then understanding this is port 1. Okay, this is port 2. So if I trigger one of the bit, okay, let's say I trigger one of bit, it becomes 0, 1. Okay, let me try 7. Okay, so if I come here and refresh, you see, port 2 is being disabled as expected on this. Okay, so if we reach out to the input again, okay, we should get to see 0, 0 on port 2. Okay, yeah, 0, 0, because as per indicated here at input, 0, 0 means been disabled. Yeah, so look decent. With this, I end my presentation. Thank you.